Hey everyone! If your Valorant feels delayed, the problem is likely your Windows setup, not the game itself. Today I'm showing you the essential system and driver tweaks to reduce latency in Valorant. Let's get into it. Step 1. Windows Graphics Optimization. First, search for Game Mode in your Windows search bar and make sure it's toggled on. Next, click Graphics on the same page. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If you see it, below that, find Valorant in the list, or browse for the .x. Click Options, and set it to High Performance. Step 2. The Power Plan. Now let's unlock your CPU. Search for Choose a Power Plan in Windows. Ensure you're set to High Performance or Ultimate Performance. This prevents your processor from shifting into a low power state during a match, keeping your frame times consistent. Step 3. GPU Driver Tweaks. Time for the drivers. If you have NVIDIA, you can open the control panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, and set Low Latency Mode to Ultra. If you're on AMD like so, open the Adrenaline software and toggle Radeon Anti-Lag to On. This significantly reduces the time it takes for your mouse click to register on screen. Finally, let's stabilize your ping. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Find your network adapter. Right-click it and hit Properties. Under Power Management, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This prevents your internet from delay and causing those annoying lag spikes. And with those 5 system tweaks, your game should feel significantly more responsive. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.